make up for it. I promise I will, really. I can't do anything about your bike until...
I don't want any of your lame excuses, kid. I just want a new bike right now.
It's my Pikachu. My Pikachu's not too good.
Okay. Almost done. First pack.
I think
Ah,
so.
it's
And there's
kind of
nothing I
hard.
can do to help
They're not
now.
fitting exactly like Pokemon, I would say. Nah, funny enough. Damn. That's actually pretty good.
Your Pikachu's resting. It's a good thing you got it here so fast. The procedure went well, and it should be fine. Thanks to the Pokémon Center.
Yes, thank you very much.
Now your Pokémon needs a good rest in the recovery room. You should go in with it, Ash.
Thanks. Listen, I'm sorry about your bike, but I'm gonna need some time to make things right.
No way! I fell for that last time!
Huh?
Well, you should take care of Pikachu now, and we'll settle up later.
Okay.
Damn.
Your attention, please. Our Viridian City radar sensors have detected an aircraft belonging to a gang of Pokemon thieves. If you have a Pokemon in your possession, exercise extreme...
That look a lot more like it. That look like more like it. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So what? Almost what? Halfway through? I don't know, but it's going pretty fast. Or
We know, Meowth, we know.
we need two, and we need the red.
Who are they?
Blue one there.
Don't be frightened, little boy.
Allow us to introduce ourselves.
Red and blue is looking pretty nice. It's gonna be working. That's gonna be turning.
Evils of truth and love.
Do you have anything that's to turn? No. That's gonna be turning, and that's gonna be flying a little bit. Moving the leg.
At the speed of light.
Okay, we need two black.
Prepare to fight.
Oh, one and the black one.
He just doesn't get it, does he?
How can I? You don't make any sense.
We're here for the Pokemon.
You're not getting Pikachu.
Pikachu. We're not interested in your precious electric rat.
We seek only rare and valuable Pokemon.
You're wasting your time. This is a center for weak and injured Pokemon. Well, that may be so, but I wouldn't be at all surprised if we find
Okay, now we're just
some gems among all the junk. Your
putting the rubber in.
Isn't that cute?
The boys bug.
Meow and like squash 'em.
Puffin, attack!
Ekans, go!
And flip it in. So
Hey, the lights! They must have cut the power. But we've got our own Pika power source.
flipping. That's doubling.
Wow! Look at all the Pikachu!
That's actually really nice. Kind of start to look like a nice.
We have to save those Pokeballs.
Kind of looking now like a.
Viridian City
It's gonna be
Pokemon
flying
Center.
pretty soon.
Emergency situation.
I don't know if we're gonna start making the leg and the horn before the wing, but it's actually pretty nice. It's just coming back every single time. It's gonna be moving by itself almost. That's nice. That's awesome.
Get those Pokeballs! Right, this is war! Don't just hold them, throw them!
All right, Pokeball, here we go. Ah.
That thing can't beat us.
No, we'll try this one. Pokeball, here we go. Ah. Empty.
We're never gonna beat them that way! Some of the Pokeballs are empty.
Well, now she tells me. This one feels like a real winner. Pokeball, go. Ah.
That's fine. That should be going there.
I guess I'm gonna have to take this into my own hands. You grab Pikachu and get out of here. I'll take care of these.
That's kind of weird shape. It's not even triangle.
Coming from such a little lady.
The corner is it's like round.
Thanks for the compliment.
The girl thinks she's pretty.
I agree with her. I think she's pretty too. Pretty pathetic.
I'll show you. Pokeball, go!
Okay, now we're doing the underbelly. Looking pretty nice. Looking sweet. Come on.
He's all washed up.
Yeah, we're having the underbelly right there. The belly and everything. Yeah, it's way too much light. I don't know why. We're gonna have to figure that out. We have better setup for filming. But that's fine for now. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's not like anybody's gonna watch it. So that's fine. Boom. It's kind of thick. Pretty thick.
Pikachu!
Do I have to do everything that mouse is telling? Meow. Just wait, Pikachu, yum.
That's actually pretty good. Now we're getting to the pack of 4 and 5. So while we didn't finish the 3 first pack, and while having a pretty good set of the chest, you just need the horn, the wing, the head, and the leg. That's actually pretty good. It's gonna go pretty fast. Find it, that's going pretty fast. We're doing pretty good. We just have to keep it up. Keep it up. Come on. That doesn't have too many parts. It's only 387. That's fine. Okay. Now next pack. We need 8 by 8 and 2 flat 4. Boom. Boom. And we'll put them aside.
Losing to a mouse.
That Pikachu is no ordinary Pikachu.
It's certainly very rare. A perfect prize.
Let's catch it.
Perhaps we will.
That's blood. Blood for the cable to go to water. Damn. That's kind of sweet.
Your Viridian City Pokemon
Not gonna lie.
here safely. Thanks, sis. Ash, Misty, and Pikachu are heading your way to Pewter City. If they can get safely through the Viridian Forest.
Don't worry. From what I've seen, those three can take pretty good care of themselves.
Come on. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. We did pretty much the wing is gonna be pretty tight, I think. It's way too orange, kind of messing my eye to find some parts. It's really hard to find some stuff. Okay, so it says
All right, stand back.
1,
Piece of cake.
2, 1, 2. Okay. We need 2 the same, 2 the same. Pushing on each other on top and taking a regular small one and put it in the corner. We need to do that twice. Just found it. Now got it. And we put those in the corner right here. So it's just gonna have to take that more. Nice and sweet. Yeah, it's getting thick. It's getting big. I like it. I like it. Come on, bro. We need 2. That's 2 those two is actually the only one in the pack. That's kind of funny. Put it on top, so we're starting to re-block the wing to not go farther. So it's gonna be able to fly like so max. That by safety, that's actually really nice. Wait, one of these and a single one. Great. Put it on top right here. And put it on top right here. Damn, that's gonna be probably the leg. Oh no, the tail. That's the tail. And the leg's gonna be sitting here. Funny enough. Huh? Funny enough. Funny enough. Damn. God damn. Pretty thick. Need another 3. Good. Going pretty nice. Going pretty nice. Damn. Back actually looking pretty. This back is pretty strong. Pretty strong. They are not too bad. The mega set is pretty good. But sometimes they are hard to clip one to each other. But I think it's normal since it's not a company. Let's just say that it's not the biggest company that they are on the market, so it's probably normal that some stuff are a little bit winky. I think I can say.
To make his first Pokemon catch.
Dun, 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 dun. Come on. Yeah. Uh-huh. Kind of see it move from the. That's gonna be in the last. No, not even the last battle, but almost.